You guys want to hit bush?
Yeah, push right.
Yeah. Go, go. I'm going in. Try to stay close. It was 3-man start and it's amoeba. And then you go to the team after you get shot. So if you get killed by a team, you walk towards them to respawn. I'll see. Moving in. Go on. Team Alpha, come spawn on us. Come spawn. That's okay. You can be a distraction. Get over here.
Hey, you're Alpha. Yeah, we got 6.
You guys want to keep cycling right?
Yeah.
Okay, cycle right. Move one at a time. Guys, cycle right one at a time.
Yeah, I need a sweet floater. I got no ammo.
Fuck 6.
On your 6 there. Moving right. Watch your right, bud. There's going to be guys in the tree, I think. One team spawned on that side. They're going to be in the far tree line. They like to lay in the grass too, so watch your feet. Yeah, got him. Alpha, come spawn on us. Keep moving right. In the building?
He dead? Oh, fuck, sorry.
They're gonna be in that grass tree line. Yeah, we're all Alpha over here. We're sweeping all right. We're sweeping left to right. We gotta hit that tree line edge. We gotta push up to this building. Watch left.
One's coming to us.
Oh, you did get one?
Oh, no, someone else here.
Sick. Okay, go to that building. He got hit from the other side, eh? Get in the trees, get in the trees. Can we punch through this?
There's the guy sitting on that side.
Yeah, it's probably a ghillie. Can you go under? You gotta space out more, space out more. You guys are too close. I think it's the ghillie over here. Yeah, be careful, it'll be hard to see him.
What team are you?
You're our team now.
Alpha, just come, Brad.
Okay, so I was already here.
I thought you got hit.
No,
Oh.
I was asking them. I was already.
There's one more. Hey guys, there's one more. Dreadlocks is here. Well, he's gonna be close because he's. You just have to spawn on us. So now you want to kill Jason. Yeah, Alpha. Keep moving in. Ian spawned over here. They're just straight ahead, 12. Yeah, friendly. You're Alpha. Get with Alpha. Yeah, we got another one. Keep sweeping, keep sweeping. Just one more. At least one more.
We got Jason.
Jason, come spawn on Fran. We got Ian left. And one other maybe. Erwin? Erwin's probably hiding in a building. Yeah, I'm Alpha. Are you Alpha, Ian? Randy's on Alpha unless he changed.
Yeah, I'll see what's our Alpha.
Oh yeah, then that's game. Everybody's alpha, I think, right? Nobody, I think, ask everybody around you. Yeah, I think everybody's alpha.
Oh, I was the last one.
Oh, you were, Jason. Oh shit, yeah, you were. I think that's game, guys.
I shot you and
Did you get Ian?
you're in front of
Oh,
me,
okay.
Swiggy, but
I was like, I never saw Ian and Erwin, but I guess you guys made alpha, so.
did you get shot in the back, Erwin? Or did you get shot in the back?
No, I got shot by Fran to the side.
Oh, okay, because I could
Oh,
hear Jason shooting. I thought you got shot in the back, but then you walked that way.
Yeah.
So that's why it was all like,
Yeah, I got shot by Fran.
Yeah, okay.